Hopefully we can try to catch something with this, man. All right, man, so now we baited up. We got our pack bait with our corn. I don't know how I'm gonna cast with this thing. We're gonna figure it out, though. Hey, we gotta cast it out, y'all. Hey, y'all, this bottle just moved a little bit. I ain't lying to y'all. It moved some. For real. So if it moves, we're gonna have to pull that rod holder up. Oh, look, look, look. That line getting tight. Look at the bottom. Look, look. Look. There. Fish on, baby. Oh, did he get off? Oh, he on. He on. He on, y'all. Fish on. Yeah, it's a fish, y'all. A carp. Stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Whew. We got it done, y'all. Hook is out. Let's go, baby. All right, man, go back to your home and bring your granddaddy. Huh? Carp?